Chief Minister Biren flexed off the 9-day actional conducted press tour to Yangon in Myanmar. KSA holds Education Aids Department's multitasking staff recruitment process, condemning reservation of seats from non-Manipuris from tomorrow. And resident urged government to repair deplorable Langol Game Village Road, neglected since National Games 1999. Kurumjuri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren flagged off the 9-day external conducted press tour to Yangon, Myanmar today. The 20-member team of media person led by Director IPR H. Balkrishna was flagged off from the office of Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR in Kaisampad today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren said that the tour will strengthen ties between India and Myanmar. The team will reach Moreh today and will go on to Mandalay overnight on board. The team will meet the press fraternity of Myanmar in Yangon. They will call on the Consulate General of India to Myanmar. They will also interact with the Manipuri diaspora living in Myanmar.
Act East policy has come, and accordingly, the relation between the neighboring country like Myanmar is very important. So whatever we are doing here to build up the relationship between the two countries. Earlier also, just you have seen, many journalists from Myanmar country visited Imphal and interacted with various levels of people here. And this time also, state government through DIPR were organizing a press tour to the Myanmar. We firmly believe that it will definitely strengthen the relationship between the two countries.
Volunteers of All Manipur Students Union MSU today blocked highway number 37 Imphal-Juri Road at Kaithel Manbi against the Nungba market incident of September 3rd. It may be recalled that suspected NSA-NIM cadres reportedly terrorized a cultural troupe led by MSU coming home from Silchar in a bus. The self-professed cadres also reportedly assaulted Secretary General of MSU. The incident occurred when team stopped at Nungba market for dinner. Local clubs and Mera Paibi members staged sit-ins in various parts of Imphal Valley today against extension of Article 371 Clause A and 6 Schedule of the Indian Constitution in Manipur and against any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur. Sit-ins were staged under the initiative of United Committee Manipur UCM at Porompad, Thawan Thaba Laikai, Nongmaibung Ayangpali, Kongpal Mutum Laikai, Sabi Lairak and many other places. Various spokesperson of UCM highlighted the negative consequences of the extension of the article in the state. Kangleipa Students Association KSA has put a halt on the recruitment process of multitasking staff MTS of the Education Aids Department on the ground of reservation of extra seats for non-Manipuris starting tomorrow. Addressing media person at KSA office in Khuyathong today, KSA President N. Chetan condemned reservation of 2 seats under OBC category for Teli, Badi and Nepali in the recruitment notice. He also mentioned that similar MTS recruitment notification was issued in 2016 without any such reservations.
Handakta Education Aids na lorpa multitasking gi thabak asida OBC gi group ta Nepali, Teli nachingba gi reservation pirakpa asi KSA na yam kana condemn tawi amasung KSA na masi semdok tribo Education Aids ki multitasking gi thabak lobu asi thingjalle.
43 beneficiaries of MOBC housing scheme 2015 to 16 in Thanga constituency were reportedly not provided their allotted aluminium roof sheets. Addressing media person at Thanga Lawai Community Hall today, beneficiary of the scheme in Ka Thinungai Gram Panchayat complained that 39 beneficiaries were not provided all the 4 bundles of aluminium roof sheets allotted, while 4 beneficiaries were provided none. The beneficiaries appealed to the authority concerned to take adequate measures without further delay. On the other hand, General Secretary of Thanga Constituency, BJP Mandal O. Nobin, refuted the claims made by the MOBC 2015-16 beneficiary of Kha Thinungai Gram Panchayat and Moirang Khunau Gram Panchayat earlier today, citing it as baseless. Addressing media person during a press meet held at Moirang Khunau Nganu Laima Maning Laikai today, Nobin said all 26 aluminum roof sheets allotted by the department concerned were distributed to the beneficiaries.
Tang ani amadi mari da phezani thongna piki adu adagi office na pirakpa tin mana kuntaruk se khoi beneficiary khuding magda pi aduga beneficiary ani haibi tampak laima amadi priya si khoi da masana adhar si butta leiba worker singi through da ge khoi yohallaga APR thagat karkanda khoi na pi bani aduga moida poje porakanda khoi logjara roi harakpani moida khoi na pi da balite.
Pradhan of Moirang Khunau Gram Panchayat in Thanga constituency, Laishram Daneshwar, has refuted the allegation charged against him of swindling huge amount of Birla Sun life insurance money of 552 job card holders out of the total 1,963 job card holders of Gram Panchayat in 2010. The job card holders accused Daneshwar of misappropriating almost 14,90,000 rupees. Refuting the allegation, Daneshwar asserted that he tried his best to save the insurance money invested by the job card holders with Birla Life Insurance when the insurance company dissolved. He also mentioned that funds were transferred in their respective accounts.
Kusuman yenthok piro natraga insurance ki paisa adu yenthok piro haibada aina amuk bank ta aina hangdok saraga masa masai account da leirabani hojik praja myam na challaga bank ta gi insurance policy asigi damok paisa kaithok piro ro chahi jigi numit nipani gi kusuman lakpada pradhan aina mayam gi kusuman matkhre haibasi ju aran wafam ni.
Beneficiaries of Housing for All scheme have clarified that Councillor of IMC Worth number 20, Yaskul constituency, Lakrakpam Tombi, never indulged in any corruption. The beneficiary intimated that the same to media person at Wangkai Laishram Lairenbi Lampak Community Hall today. A beneficiary, M. Bebita, stated that one Thangjom Gojin alleged the councillor on social media of taking a bribe of 1,000 rupees and giving way loans under Housing for All scheme on September 4th. She demanded Gojin to give public clarification on the same by September 13 and warned of action if he fails to do so.
Facebook da thaga piram riba khoi burgen hariba nupa sina khoi athuba matamda khoi numi kharani khoi tang oina thajar khoi mayam punna malemna bagi matungina lagriba September gi tang 12 sibogi manungda masana yana khoi sengtok pirakna khanganjari kaiguma sengtok pirakta taraga di beneficiary singna lawrakpa daita da khoi masana yajagani haibagi mayam punna warep longminare.
A cleaners drive was carried out today by Moirang Kendra Progressive Front along with social worker Thongam Santi and cleanup Kamnu Kaithel, a market deeply associated with the history of Moirang. Taking part in the drive, a local resident asserted that Kamnu Kaithel occupies a significant place in the history of Moirang. She lamented that ignoring the site threatens the cultural identity of Moirang. Residents said the cleanliness drive was carried out after the local MLA and municipal council have failed to look into the deteriorating condition in and around the market despite repeated pleas. They lauded Moirang Kendra Progressive Front and social worker Thongam Shanti for their initiatives. Youth Club Brahmapur Bhamon Laikai also carried out a cleanliness drive today as a part of its ongoing cleanliness drive held on every Sunday and general holiday since June 10. Volunteers of the club clean up the locality, including government offices in the area. Volunteers call on youth to take initiative in keeping one's locality neat and clean instead of merely waiting for authorities' concerns. Students and teachers of Sagolban Popular Upper Primary School took out a cleanliness awareness rally chanting various slogans to keep the school's surrounding neat and clean today. The rally was organized as a part of the nationwide Swachhata Pakwada Community Awareness Program. R&B Art House organized Art Face 2018, a painting exhibition with an aim to promote budding painters of the state at Hotel Imphal today. 30 paintings were displayed in the exhibition. Founder of R&B Art House, Dr. R.K. Bijeta, said that the exhibition aimed to create employment opportunity by harnessing hidden talents. Speaking in the event, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, appealed to cooperate one another. As Sanjeev's painting presents the situation of Manipur backed the first prize in the exhibition.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤ now let us support each other.
Nimita Devi Netra Ashram organized a showcase dance performance entitled Originality of Manipuri Dance and Catch Them Young in relation to its 11th Foundation Day. The production under the Ministry of Culture was performed at Roop Mahal Theatre today. Founder of the ashram, S.H. Nimita, expressed that the production is based on the indigenous songs and dances of both the hills and the valley. It may be mentioned that Nimita Devi Netra Ashram was initially established as a dance institution cum performing unit with S.H. Nimita as the founder guru and choreographer and was registered in 2007. Over 180 performances were held in various parts of India since its establishment. The first death anniversary of Pravesh Channam was observed today in his birthplace at Uripok, Achom Laikai. Mystery shrouded till today over his murder, suspected to have been for harvesting his vital organs. It may be recalled that Pravesh Channam from Uripok went missing after he went out to attend a concert in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, along with his friends on the night of September 8 last year. His body was left off at Nithari Village District Hospital on September 9. Many people paid floral tributes at the portrait of Pravesh Channam on the occasion. Pravesh's father, Channam Jugendra, expressed hope that the CBI will prove his murder and award punishment to the culprits one day. He also condemned the police station at Sector 20, Noida, for cremating Pravesh Channam without prior notice to family members despite filing a missing person report. He also condemned even after 1 year there is no lead into the murder. Representatives of various women's organizations attended the memorial event organized by JAC against the brutal killing of Pravesh Channam. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the two-day state seminar on cultural religious transition among the native communities of Northeast India, which kicked off today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham has launched a two-day state seminar on cultural religious transition among the native communities of Northeast India today. India Foundation in New Delhi, Department of Social Work, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Regional Campus, Manipur Center for Manipur Study, Manipur University organized the seminar at the Central Hall of DM College of Science, Dhanamanjuri University. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham called on to preserve art and culture of the state in this ever-changing era. An abstract book on cultural religious transition among the native communities of Northeast India was also released on the occasion. Director of India Foundation Lalitha Kumara Mangalam and Vice Chancellor of DM University Hawaibam Dilip were among those present at the event.
Religion, culture, education, masi sing si mathau se moi roles, their functions. ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯣꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯠꯇꯕꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯣꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯍꯦꯁ ꯕꯤꯀꯝ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯃꯣꯜ ꯄꯤꯛꯂꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯗꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯅꯥꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯇ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯔꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ it will be very good for development and unity and having peaceful atmosphere in Manipur.
The 4-kilometer stretch of road from Imphal leading to Langol Game Village is in a deplorable condition. When Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangbam and camera person P. Bobo visited Langol Game Village today, they came across many potholes on the road. Residents expressed discontentment at the pathetic condition of the road, which was once in an excellent condition when Manipur hosted the National Games in 1999 for players coming home from outside the state to reside in the game village quarters. Government employees and VIPs are presently residing in these quarters. They complained that the road remains dusty during dry seasons and slushy during monsoon, causing much inconveniences. The residents of around 1,000 houses in the area come together from time to time and repair the road when the authority concerned failed to repair, even after repeated pleas by the resident, including MP Maricom. They lamented that the road remains pathetic despite work orders being sanctioned to contractors for repairing the road. Residents also intimated that some people have started encroaching upon the road. They drew the attention of the authority concerned to repair the road and construct proper drainages in the area without further delay.
Handaki sarkar sina pibiriba lambi sambinaba sarkar je worker jingi penanaba honabada praja mayamgi phajanabadi khandaba mantri jingsina tobiriba phibam je ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯖꯕꯗ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯀꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯧꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯒ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯨꯡꯉꯤ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯖꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯇꯣꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯕꯗ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯐꯥ ꯄꯨꯍꯧꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯖꯟꯗꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯇꯣꯁꯨ ꯂꯨꯞꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯃꯠꯇꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯒꯤꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯦꯟꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯀꯠꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯆꯠꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯈꯪ ꯑꯍꯩ ꯈꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤ
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has appealed to all the elected members to work earnestly and avail benefits of various government schemes to the people. He was speaking at the free gas distribution ceremony organized by MS Phobakchao Indian Grameen Bitrak for beneficiaries of Ujwala scheme at Mairing Kok Laikai Community Hall in Langthabal constituency today. 275 beneficiaries were provided free gas connections under Ujwala scheme in the constituency today. The minister also mentioned that efforts are on to provide gas connection to 2,000 beneficiaries of the constituency.
अखोई मणिपुर हुजिक याम लूरीसी भारत सरकार ना कान्नब मयाम अमा पीरगसु प्रजा सिंसिना अवेयरनेस लाइतबिना खंगदबनिना मदुगी खुदोंग चाबसि लौब ngamdaba अखोइना लौखत्तरिबसिगी पांडमसिगी मखाद ओरगदि हाना फंगबने उजे अनौब फंगदबने लंगदबाल केंद्रसि आइना अदि कैबिनेट पीडीगी मिनिस्टर ओइ हाइबगी वा नतबा अखोइ नारोल सिंह अदुगा इनाउ जितेन अखोइना दायित्व लौजरगा मैक्सिमम नंबर्स उजाला की स्कीम से लंगदबाल केंद्र की फंगम थोबसे फंगनगेना आई मदुगी टारगेट अमा तौजै मदुगी दंत होनजै प्रधान जिला परिषद कोई थीदना एमएलए मिनिस्टर प्रजा से कमाई तौदना खुदोंग चाबसे फंगनगदगी होनबसे अखोइ थौने
WhatsApp group Anau Batasi Yengsi has extended financial assistance to ailing TH Bijan of Irangbam Maning Laikai under Nambol police station in Bishnupur district today. Bijan was rendered immobile after suffering from an illness since the last 3 years. The WhatsApp group assured of extending further assistance in the future. Himalayan Day was observed at Segmaijing High School in Segmaijing today. The event, jointly organized by Green Foundation Manipur and Unique Wildlife Protection Committee Manipur, was attended by Chief Conservator of Forest IFS Mahendra Pratap, Forest Conservator IFS L. Joy Kumar, Director in charge of Organic Farming Manipur DS Yadav, Headmistress of Sekmaijing High School RK Sana Hanbi, President of Unique Wildlife Protection Committee Manipur N. Shyam, Eco Club, and over 100 students of the school. Edu City felicitated the winners of its first state-level Mathematical Wizard Competition 2018 at GM Hall today. The competition was conducted on July 22nd. Speakers in the event stressed the need to inculcate leadership quality along with education among the youths. Rotary Club of Imphal has conferred Nation Builder Award 2018 to 10 government school teachers. The club held the award distribution in connection with International Literacy Day observance at the conference hall of Rotary Club of Imphal in Mantripukhi yesterday. Speaking in the event, Director of Census Operation Manipur M. Hare Krishna stated that a person needs to have knowledge, skills and motivation to be successful in any profession, and lacking of any one amongst the three hinders the process. Awardees of Nation Builder Award 2018 are Salam Shushma of Lalambung Primary School, Konsam James of Sinam Nodia Upper Primary School, Bembem Sanabam of Petrigu Junior High School, KH Permanent of Kongampad Mantri Primary School, Raj Vinod Karwil of CH Tula Singh Junior High School, Maimom Manglemba of Praja Upper Primary School, Pukrambam Ragibala of Naranthong Upper Primary School, Koijam Baby of Thangtek Junior High School, and Abujam Gauri of Takyal Mapal Upper Primary School.
Miyamagi social capability, sigama mayam se carry them forward. Aduna sitangai padana awadawa adugumba amani pochanga mani aduga sida wajami yamri endokna na chawba dai kare matam ki ahung badi laide wajaki ବ୍ୟବହାର matam amagi do maybe not to that extent, but when we assure you the respect for teaching community is still there.
Now news from the world of sports. Salai Holdings Private Limited plans to invest in the field of sports as a part of its vision to make Manipur a self-reliant state in 20 years. Former MLA S. Kunjakishore Eli Geber affirmed that the company will assist T.H. Birchandra Singh Football Academy (TVSFA), an academy endeavoring to produce good footballers from the grassroots. He was speaking at the opening ceremony of a football exhibition match by the budding footballers of the academy at TVSFA ground in Tabungkok, Makhalekai today. Attending the event, a tourist from Czech Republic, Andres Krivka, lauded Manipur for producing great sportsperson in the world. He expressed happiness in visiting the state, a birthplace of polo. He said, as a sports enthusiast, he has no option but to praise the budding players of the academy after witnessing their enthusiasm and discipline in playing the football match.
State powerhouse near in all front, particularly in football, powerhouse nips. Spontaneously, we Babo Katorpose, Mrs. Moides was impression of people palm high tie. And I am no ice my tone of when I see we Salai Holding Private Limited now. We get any Sumana Puron Masanache, Masi being a kind of what's up when I have a chest, the same luxury book with Punamaki. Asani Musung Highway Academy Sigi, Matang Lakada, development things that physically, moral, and financially have quite important Togani have a similar tangerine.
We feel that we have a lot in common, and this is very exciting to see young talents playing very constructive football. We think that they are passing very good, they are very good in attack, so we are very happy to see it. It's a good energy here, and we are very honored to be here.
The 38th State Open Cash Prize Tennis Championship under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association concluded today. In the men's single match, T. Brazin defeated Rahul Pamay by 6-4 and 6-1. In ladies single final, Banti Chongtham defeated Charmi Nomai Kapam in under-14 girls singles final. Charmi Nomai Kapam defeated El Linda, and in under-14 girls singles final, MNC Sanaraima defeated Y. Thoibi. In under 14 boys singles final, Vicky Sagolsem defeated as Aswajit. In under 12 boys singles final, as Aswajit defeated TH Niraj. While in men's doubles final, Brojan and Rivashkar defeated Prenjit and Lilenji. For above 45 years double final, Toleshwar and Ibohal defeated H. Ibotombi and Y. Ibotombi. For above 55 years doubles, Y. Ibotombi and H. Ibotombi defeated Leshemba and Kubir. Chief Secretary IAS Dr. Suresh Babu and eminent persons of Manipur Tennis Association distributed prizes to the winners in the concluding function held at Lamphel Park Officers Club, Deco Turf. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren flakes off the 9-day external conducted press tour to Yangon in Myanmar. KSA holds Education as Department's multitasking staff recruitment process, condemning reservation of seats from non-Manipuris from tomorrow. And resident urge government to repair deplorable Langol Game Village Road neglected since National Games 1999.